average person spends 171 minutes daily on their smartphone. ये cell phone screen एक connection बन गई between a brand and a consumer. This is why every company wants to go digital. अगर आप ये digital marketing skills सीख लेते हैं, you will have a lot of opportunities for employment in Karachi and on freelance. So watch this short guide and learn how to become a digital marketer in Pakistan. The world of digital marketing is all about skills, not your degree. अब हमने 4 ऐसे skill set identify कर लिए हैं that are very popular and in demand all across the world and on freelance. Before you start learning one of these skill set, ask yourself, ये skill set can I learn easily, number 1, and am I passionate about it? This will make learning much easier. So let's start. Number 1, you can become the strategy guy. अब हर जगह we hear about content. It is one of the main focuses of digital marketing. So as a strategy guy, you need to be able to do keyword research, content topics निकालने होंगे. फिर ये होगा कि when am I going to upload something and what is the best way to upload something. So the strategy guy is the guy who makes the entire plan, and then the content writer and the visual artist bring it to life. Number 2, you can become the content writer. जब एक strategist पूरा एक content plan तैयार कर लेता है, it's your turn to turn it into a blog या social media graphic or a vlog. पहले blogs का ज़माना था, and now it's all about short informative videos that are going to flood the internet. So content writers slowly will become content creators. Now to excel in this field, you need to know a lot of relevant information, you need to have good research skills, and lastly you need to have good grammar and English writing skills. This is the main thing. Number 3, you can become the visual artist. Whether you're a master of Photoshop, Illustrator or Adobe Premiere, this is the key. See, the content is right there. You need to use the right colors, the right images, the icons, logo placement, and boom, you have a final piece of content ready. Whether you can make animations or static posts or videos, that's all what a visual artist does. And number 4, the last thing you can specialize in is becoming a developer. Whether you want to become a developer of websites or application, इसके लिए the first thing you need to learn is a coding language. Which coding language you learn depends upon you. But the best way to start is learning from WordPress, because WordPress is the easiest type of coding on the internet. अब कोई बंदा specialist, कोई एक all-rounder, कोई part-timer, कोई freelancer, हर बंदा इस field में इसलिए घुस रहा है because there's a lot of job opportunities and there are a lot of ways to earn online. तो ये 4 skill sets के बारे में हमने बात कर लिया. Now you can decide which skill set you want to learn or you want to improve. In the last part of the video, I'm going to tell you the easiest way to start your digital marketing career. Remember, this is the era of free information. हर दिन 2.5 quintillion bytes of information are generated on the internet daily. Now you need to know कि course कौन सा करना है. See, Social Sprout पे, Google Garage पे, HubSpot.com पे, there are so many free courses, content marketing, digital marketing, analytics की इतनी ज़्यादा courses you can do online. Or you can come to professionals like MOOCs. See, we are providing you high quality hands-on training with the best trainers in Karachi. We're doing freelancing, we're doing blockchain, we're doing affiliate marketing. We're just going to do a lot of things. MOOCs is an amazing choice for you if you're starting from ground zero. If you guys like this video, then please like, subscribe and share, because we are going to be uploading more videos just like this. And please tell us in the comments exactly how you like this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.